Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be working on our written assessment number 19. So if you could find that sheet and we'll work on that together. So for the name, draw a line segment for your name. And there we go. And print our names. Sorry, mine's messy. Okay, and our date is April 21st, 2020. Our day of the week is Tuesday. Okay, so it says, Ashley drew 10 pictures. She sent 2 pictures to her grandmother. Draw the pictures and write a number sentence to show how many pictures Ashley has left. So let's draw our pictures. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It says she sent 2 pictures to her grandmother. There's 1 and there's 2. Is this a some and some more or some and some less question? If you said it's a some and some less question, you would be right. So what's the number sentence then? So she started with 10 and it's some less, correct? Take away, so subtract, not take away. 10 subtract 1, 2 equals, how many does she have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many pictures does Ashley have left? She has 8 pictures left. Okay. Let's move on to part 2. Color the congruent shapes red. Do we all remember what congruent means? Congruent means the same shape and size. So if we look at this little diamond, or if you look at it, it could also be a square, right? So is it the same as this one? No, because we know this one's a triangle. The square, oh, here's another one. But this one's a diamond and this one's a square. But are they the same shape? Maybe they are, just twisted. I think so. I'm gonna color that in red. Color them in red and color them in red. There we go. Now let's see if we have any other congruent shapes. So we've got a triangle and a triangle over here, but they're not the same type of triangle. Later in different grades, you're going to find out that this is a different triangle than this one. This one has a right angle. You don't know that yet, but you will soon. Anyway, different shapes. And then 2 rectangles, and they aren't squares, but they also aren't the same shape. So that's it. That's all we'll do with that part of it. So for the next one, number 3, divide the squares into fourths. So do we remember how many fourths is? If you divide it into 2 pieces, that's divided into half. Remember that, boys and girls? But if you divide it again, you divide it into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, or into fourths. Now we'll do this one in a different way. So I would go this way. There. Color 1/4 of each square. So if we have 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, color 1/4. So that's really just 1 piece. There we go. Now, it says to color the pennies brown. I don't have a brown crayon, so our brown marker, so I'm going to use my red one again. So color the pennies brown. So this one is a dime. This one here is a penny. This one says 1 cent. Is that a penny? 1 cent. If you said yes, you're right. Here's another penny, like this. And 1 cent. So then we have another cent. And this one again. Another penny. And 1 cent, which is a penny. And then 1 cent. So this one is a 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This one is a dime or 10 cents. So let's count this all together. It says how much money is this? So we know that the dime is 10 cents. So 10, and the rest are ones. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have 17 cents. Now, let's finish our number patterns. Let's see if we've got this. There we go. There we go. 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27. Now, let's count for this one. 2, 4, 6. That sounds like skip counting. Let's see if we can continue that on. Continue that pattern. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. I don't want to get messy. 18 and 20. Now this one, 5, 10, 15. Again, they're skip counting. They're going from smaller to larger. So let's see if we can skip count again by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That's awesome, you guys. Did a really good job today.